So I'm Bram van Callebaut and I'm working for Global Digital Innovation Manager at Callebaut. Callebaut is a chocolate manufacturer. We're a B2B manufacturer, so we're selling from large corporate accounts. So when we first started out our MES project, I think we had a very holistic approach. We wanted to go fully paperless, improve traceability, work on productivity increase, OEE, energy improvement. It was a pretty big scope of deliverables that we wanted to improve for our business. In the selection process, we considered quite a lot of different MES vendors, and I would say the selection for AVEVA ultimately came down to the automation level. And I think that was one of the strengths, where AVEVA was presenting system platform as an environment that is able to connect to all sorts of data sources. Because of our growth and mergers and acquisitions, we have a lot of PLCs that we need to connect with. A system platform was kind of the ideal solution. So the flexibility of AVEVA is something that really was essential for us. AVEVA products for us are very much at the center of our digital transformation journey. When we made the choice for the AVEVA product line, huge complexity of data sources and putting it into a standardized layer. And then we put on top of that a product suite that helps us improve energy, improve our performance and improve our material variance. And the other ones are around capacity that those lines are being scheduled with. So having better insight of what the line is capable of running improves the communication flow from our operations to the supply chain teams so that they can better plan the lines with the capacity that they really have in one ecosystem to create this unified experience for operators. And with AVEVA, I think this is something that we get out of the product line. My expectation is that on every single site where we did this implementation, we are going to get this payback, and in some cases the payback has already materialized. We are trying to build a solution that is scalable, so that if we implement in one factory, we make sure that we always use the same data format and the same structure, so that if there is one site that can be successful, those reports or whatever they did to get those results can very quickly be transferred to other factories. We have a very strong team that is working on all these implementations. These are people across the world that are working day in, day out with passion about making this digital solution work. I'm really excited to work together with AVEVA because this product helps us to be more successful, and it's a really professional company with a lot of different solutions going from design to digital implementations. So I'd say it's a very exciting journey for us.